Right, last video. So this is me now browning of the the pheasant, sorry. That's it all seasoned there. The smell is incredible. Get that in there. Brown it off. And you get that brown curry smell. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. And then what I'm going to do, put it in there once it's brown. Then I'm going to hit it with fresh onions, just fresh everything. But the smell is incredible. Get that leg in there. You got to keep, once you start this now, you got to keep turning it. Yeah. Don't be afraid of oil. Yeah, can't be afraid of oil. You got to make sure the oil is a good amount. That is the key to a good curry. Onions and oil. Coconut oil's in there. You don't want to add the onions too early. Get that piece in there, just there like that. Don't be afraid of the oil. Lovely. Wow.